Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 9, uploading a PDF. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work or the business. We also need to have access to a PDF file which we wish to upload to Yammer. So we're going to start the tutorial. Let's now go over down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on all applications, scroll down to all apps, scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen to explore all the applications. Now let's go to Yammer. Let's just wait for that to load. Now let's minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, locate a PDF file which we wish to upload. I can see one on screen within the Documents folder, trial document.pdf. Let's just click on this. And this is the test document that we created for the purpose of these tutorials. Let's minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Again, go back to Google Chrome, go to all community within my communities. And now let's share thoughts, ideas, or let's go to files. And there we can see trial document.docx uploaded from yesterday. Now let's click on upload, files. Let's navigate to the documents. There we see trial document.pdf. Click on this, open up, and that should be uploading to your Yammer profile. Let's just wait for that to load. It has now uploaded. If we click on this document.pdf, it should now take us to that document itself. We can choose to open in browser, which is what we will do now. And this just opens up as a regular PDF file. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.